Hey everyone, here's a story I think you might find very much of interest, Pastor Dave. It's January 11th, 2012. This story comes to me from a viewer, Super MB 112, and I'm going to put the link to this article below in the description box. It comes from Costa Rica Online News. You might want to start getting excited a little bit. There's a strange phenomenon going on in Costa Rica, a strange humming, a strange sound. And the experts have no idea what it is. They don't believe it to be an earthquake because there's no earthquake activity. I'll read a little bit of it for you, and I'll put it below so you can read the article yourself. Is it the mysterious sound of the so-called coming apocalypse? Some think that the mysterious sound heard in Costa Rica at around 12:30 a.m. this morning is exactly that. Ronnie Quintero, a seismologist, said the event should be studied at the exact time and location of the anomaly to determine with certainty that there was no earthquake. He added that depending on the location of those who claim they heard the rumble or the hum, it is easy to dismiss the possibility of tectonic movements. I guess I've had a bunch of, I don't want to read the whole thing, experts brought in to this area, and there's no seismologist and these experts on volcanoes, and they're saying that there is no earth movement recorded at the time of this very strange sound. I wonder if it's going to be the sound of a trumpet. What do you think? I'm going to play, I haven't even watched this yet. I'm going to see if we can play the audio of this for you, of what the sound, what it sounded like in Costa Rica this morning. Then I'll remind you, Costa Rica, this is not the first time there was some very strange phenomenon, a sound, and I believe this is the audio of what happened in the Ukraine in 2011. Very similar sound. Almost the same sound. And you'll have the link with both videos where you can listen to the sound and determine for yourself. And like the viewer that graciously gave me this information to bring to you, is it the earth moaning and groaning for his return? Are we looking at the spring? Are we looking for the rapture of the bride? Leave me comments. God bless everybody. Link below. Thought you'd enjoy this. Get excited.